us start grade 9th. Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss number system revision. Yesterday what we stopped. So there are few topics to be discussed. So let us take one question first. Simplify 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 5. So if he is asking us to simplify 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 3 plus root 5, so it is nothing but binomial into binomial. So we can do 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 5 can be written as, so multiply this into total, so that will be 3 into root 3 plus root 5 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 5. So that will be 3 root 3 plus 3 root 5 plus root 6 plus root 10. It means that we cannot multiply a root number and a normal number. So I am writing as it is. So here root number into root number will be root 6. Root number into root number will be root 10. So this is the final answer. Why? Because there are no like terms here. Root 3, no root 3s are there. Root 5, no root 5s are there. Root 6, only 1. Root 10 also only 1. So we cannot do further. Next, let us take another second example here. So the second question is that yesterday we have done rationalizing. So simplify root 3 plus 5 into root 3 plus 5. So if it is in this case, we can do binomial into binomial, or else if you remember the identities, so let us see the word solution. If you remember the identities here, we can write this as root 3 plus 5 into root 3 plus 5. Since they are same, so we can write root 3 plus 5 whole square. Why? Because a plus b into a plus b can be written as a plus b whole square. So it is looking like a plus b whole square formula. We have a plus b whole square formula as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So where a is root 3 and b is 5. So we can write it as a square, which is nothing but root 3 whole square plus 2 into a value is root 3 into 5, b is 5 square. So root 3 square is 3 only. So 10 root 3 plus 25. So that is 28 plus 10 root 3. So this is in similar manner we can do a minus b whole square also. Let us do one question for that also. So let us take another question, third one. So simplify 3 plus 2 root 5 in 3 minus 2 root 5, 3 minus 2 root 5. So here, so 3 minus 2 root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5 can be written as 3 minus 2 root 5 whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is 3 and b value is 2 root 5. Make sure that it is not minus 2 root 5. Minus will include in the formula. Minus will be included in the formula. So a value is 3, b value is 2 root 5. So it will be a square minus 2ab, a square. That is 3 square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, which is 2 root 5 whole square. So 3 square is 9, minus 2 3 are 6, 2 are 12, root 5 plus, now here a root number and a normal number square is there, means first you do square of normal number. 2 square will be 4 into root 5 square will be normal 5. So 9 minus 12 root 5 plus 20, 20 plus 9 is 29, 29 minus 12 root 5. Next, let us see another question. fourth. So we have seen yesterday rationalized questions. So today I will take one question. Root 3 minus 2 root 5 by root 2 root 5 plus 4 root 3. So if I take this type of question, first of all we are going to write the rationalizing factor of RF stands for rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 plus 4 root 3 is 2 root 5 minus 4 root 3. So multiply that rationalizing factor in numerator and denominator. 2 root 5 by 2 root 5 plus 4 root 3 into 2 root 5 minus 4 root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 4 root 3. So here multiply. So root 3 into total, that is 2 root 5 minus 4 root 3 minus 2 root 5 into 2 root 5 minus 4 root 3 by, in the denominator it will be in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So here normal number is 2. So 2 into root 15 minus normal number is 4. 4 into root 9 minus 2 2s are normal number into normal number. 2 2s are 4. Root 5 into root 5 will be root 25. Minus into minus will be plus. 2 4s are 8. Root 5 into root 3 is root 15. Divided by 2 square is 4. 4 5s are 20. Minus 4 square is 16. 16 3s are 48. So this can be written as again 2 root 15 minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into 5 plus 8 root 15 by minus 28. So here these two are like terms. So 2 plus 8 is 10 root 15 minus 12 minus 20 minus 32 by minus 28. So till here also we can do, and further simplification if you require you can take 2 common, or else we can stop here. Next let us see the loss of exponents. So we have various laws. The first law is a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. The very first law. The second law is that a power m into a power n can be written as a power m plus n. The third law is that ab whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. A by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. The fifth law, a to the power 0 which is equals to 1. Sixth one will be a to the power of minus 1 will be 1 by a to the power of n minus n, let us take. So these are the various laws which we will be applying in the further questions. Now let us see the questions. So first question is 7 power 4 into 7 power 5 divided by 7 power 6. So in this, if you observe these two, these are having the same base but different powers. It is in the form of a power m into a power n. This can be written as a power m plus n divided by 7 power 6. So here we have used the law as a power m into a power n, which is a power m plus n. So it will be 7 power 9 divided by 7 power 6. Now if you observe here, it is looking like a power m divided by a power n, that is a power m minus n. So here we have used the law as a power m divided by a power n, which is a to the power of m minus n. So 7 power 3. So which is 7 cube is nothing but 343. Next, let us take another question. Second question, suppose for example 240 whole power 5. So now to solve this question, first let us do prime factoration of 240. So 5 4s, 5 8s, 2 24s, 2 12s, 2 6, 2 3s. So we are getting here 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. So 2 power 4 into 3 into 5 whole power 5. So here if you observe here, okay, we have forgotten to take another law, all of you. A power m whole power n can be written as a to the power of m into n. Means for the power another power is there, we have to multiply the two powers. Now it is in the form of a into b into c whole power m. So that can be written as, so let me write this. So a into b into c whole power m can be written as 2 power m whole power 5 into 3 power 3 whole power 5 into 5 whole power 5. So we have used the law as a b c whole power m is equals to individual powers. A power m into b power m into c power m. So here again power to the power, so 4 5s are 20, here 3 power 5 as usual, 5 power 5 as usual. So in the first one we have used the law as a power m whole power n. It can be written as a power m into n. So here there are no dislike powers, so if you keep up to here also the answer will be okay. Next, let us take another question. Third question, 5 power 0 plus 2 into 7 power 4 divided by 7 power 3. If I take this type of question, so we know that anything to the power of 0 we can write it as 1 plus 2 into 7 power 4 minus 3. So in this step we have used two laws, that is a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. This is first here we have used, and if you observe these two, it is looking like a power m divided by a power n. So we can use a power m minus n. So that is a power m minus n. So it can be written as, we should not do the, why? Because preference is given for multiplication. So keep 1 plus 2 into 7 power 1. So it will be 1 plus 2 7s are 14, which is 15. Let's take another fourth question. So the question is, here if we take 6 power minus 4 divided by 6 power 5 into 7 power 4 divided by 7 power minus 2. So whenever a negative power is there, we can write 1 by positive power. So 1 by 6 power 4 here divided by 6 power 5 into 7 power 4 divided by 1 by 7 square. The number and power will be same, but instead of negative symbol it will come positive symbol here. So whenever if you see negative power, you can write 1 by positive power. So this can be written as 1 by 6 power 4 into division can be written as multiplication into 1 by 6 power 5 into 7 power 4, this can be written as into, it will become reciprocal 7 square. So division if I replace with multiplication, then the other term will become reciprocal. That's what happened here. So 1 by it is looking like denominator a power m into a power n, which we can write as a power m plus n into here also a power m plus n. So we have used the law as a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So 1 by 6 power 10 into 7 power 6. So it will be 7 power 6 by 6 power 10. Now let us take another question. Fifth question. 7 power 3 minus m divided by, okay, let us take into 7 power 4 is equals to 7 power 12. So find out the m value. So make sure that whenever this type of questions are given, let us take the word solution. So it is looking like a power m into a power n, which is nothing but a power m plus n is equals to 7 power 12. So we have used the law as a power m into a power n, which is a power m plus n. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 minus m is equals to 7 power 12. So here we can write if bases are same, we can equate powers. If bases are same, we can equate the powers. So the powers which we can equate here, 7 minus m is equals to 12. So 7 minus 12 is equals to m, minus 5 is equals to m. So here the m value is minus 5. So make sure that there is one new concept, that if bases are same, we can equate the powers if equal symbol is there.